Hello, I am back today with Girly Bits Cosmetics Bridal Bliss collection. And so these are regular polishes that just look great as regular polishes, but they are also designed to be awesome stampers. So we are going to go ahead and test that out today. Each of the polishes comes with this little swatch ring. I have painted them white and black in preparation for the swatches we're about to do. But of course they come so that you can paint them with the color in here, or whatever you want to do with them. All right, so we have Peach, Love, and Joy. Aww. We have Old, New, Borrowed, and Blue. We have Strapless. This is your neutral. We have Betrothed. We have Let Love Grow. And we have Hearts in Bloom. All right, so let's get started. All right, let's top coat them all and see if they smudge. This is Strapless, gorgeous over white and black, beautifully opaque. This is Peach, Love, and Joy. That peach just really pops over the white and the black. This is Hearts in Bloom, strong pink there over the white and the black. Old, New, Borrowed, and Blue. This one is very subtle over white. It is there. You can see it in person, but barely. And it pops and holds its color over black, which is amazing. Then we have Let Love Grow, and this one shows pretty good in person. It shows both over the white and the black, so great there. And then finally we have Betrothed. Again, this is another one that's a little bit more subtle. You can see it in person. It is a subtle effect though. And then it pops over that black. All right, I'll link everything down below, and thank you so much for watching.